Today watching TF test. It's my place. It's raining now. It's TF and will be. It's a brand new Samsung Galaxy On7. It's a gold version. It's my secondary phone. My new phone is my first phone is testing now. It's a trap test. It's good for this future, guys. It's more. It's a heavy rain on now. It will be. I'm checking the rain test. It happened. Watch this result on this phone and it see happen. Opening the clock face, the bright is now normally. Okay. 3 minutes I'm checking now and see my places now. Okay. It's started now, guys. It's now check me. It's heavy rain. See happen. Sorry guys, it's 5 minutes water automatically now and if take time center position on this phone will be automatically and time is resumed. Okay. I'm side here. Guys. It's the phone. See happen. Timer now. Oh shit. Timer is not running. Yeah. Okay. Timer is running, guys, and let's see happen. It's very cool. Right, it's not good. It's application, yeah. It's messages and wait. I'm opening the clock. It's very cool, guys. Oh shit! It's 2 minutes now. Don't also off. Time is automatically closing, guys. It's very cool. Recording camera is water time. See guys, is my hand into mobile now. I'm taking the continuously water. It's guys, wait for something in the camera. It's very cool. Guys, I'm playing the camera now. So good, but very cool. Very cool on my places now. It's my hand is second now. It says I'm now. Hi, you today watching TF test. It's result on this now way. Checking the rain test. It's a heavy rain on my places now. It's not rain this time. It's 2 days later now. Rice on put it in the rice in my hand into Samsung Galaxy On7. It's good, but it's a 2 day. It's not booting now and see this camera inside in water. It's water inside in this camera and we can see the front facing camera. It's opening now. It's front facing camera. It's open. It's not good to the front facing camera. It's recent to water inside now, but the back facing camera is so good. We'll see if it happen, guys. It's not waterproof. And we'll be checking the rain water test. It's a good for old mobile. It's a secondary mobile. I'm checking the hammer test now. It's not good. It's water inside now. 1 or 2 mobiles is a good. 1 or 2 mobiles the bad. And now we'll see, guys. More video watch. Please like and subscribe my channel and thank you for the watching. Peace.